Many young workers in Jamaica start their first job excited to earn money. But what many people don't realize is that small mistakes with your pay can cost you thousands of dollars over time. Sometimes the problem isn't your salary, it's simply not understanding how your money works. Today, we're looking at 5 common money mistakes young Jamaican workers make and how you can avoid them. Let's start with mistake number one. Mistake number one is not checking your payslip. Many workers simply look at the net pay, the amount deposited in their bank account, and never review the deductions. But your payslip shows important information such as income tax, education tax, NIS contributions, NHT contributions. If a mistake happens in payroll and you don't check your payslip, you may never realize it. Understanding your payslip helps you protect your earnings. Mistake number two is not understanding how taxes work. Many workers see deductions on their payslip and feel confused. They ask, why is my salary smaller than expected? But once you understand how taxes work, the numbers begin to make sense. For example, income tax currently applies at 25%, depending on your taxable income. Knowing how taxes are calculated helps you better estimate your real take-home pay. Mistake number three is not knowing your true hourly rate. Even if you're paid a salary, your income still represents a value per hour of work. Let's look at an example. If someone earns $180,000 per month and works about 160 hours, their hourly rate would be $180,000 divided by 160. That equals approximately $1,125 per hour. Knowing this helps you understand the value of your time. Mistake number four is not checking overtime calculations. Many workers simply trust that overtime is calculated correctly, but overtime is usually calculated at time and a half. If your hourly rate is $1,125, your overtime rate should be $1,125 multiplied by 1.5. That equals approximately $1,687 per hour. Understanding this helps you verify whether your overtime pay is correct. Mistake number five is ignoring long-term contributions. Some deductions on your payslip are not just taxes. They are contributions that support future benefits. For example, NIS contributes towards Social Security benefits. NHT contributions may help with housing benefits. Pension contribution help with retirement savings. Understanding these deductions help you see how your income supports both your present and your future. Let's quickly recap the 5 mistakes. Mistake number one, not checking your pay slip. Number two, not understanding how taxes work. Number three, not calculating your hourly rate. Number four, ignoring overtime calculations. And number five, not thinking about long-term contributions. Avoiding these mistakes can help you make better financial decisions early in your career. In the next video, we'll look at something many young workers overlook: how to properly review a job offer before accepting it. Because sometimes the most important financial decisions happen before you start the job. Stay informed, stay protected. Don't just work hard, work smart. Know your rights, Jamaica.